Would you believe me if I told you that this was made entirely in Photoshop? In fact, all of what you're seeing right now is just Photoshop. Well, it's not just Photoshop. It's Photoshop supercharged by DITHERTONE Pro, which looks a little different now. I just released version 3.0 of this plugin, and it's going to change the game. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ditherone with DitherOneSupply.com, and I'm here to help you design smarter, not harder. If you're unfamiliar, Dithertone is a plugin for Photoshop that I built for two reasons: to make dithering easier and faster in Photoshop, and to satisfy my 17-year-old self who fell in love with design because of that bitmapped dithered aesthetic. It is an absolute powerhouse packed with over 40 dithering algorithms and real-time effect controls, and it just got way better. Let's talk about what I added to the plugin and what makes it so game-changing. First, the centerpiece, our new render modes. You're already familiar with the default tonal mode, which lets you create mono to tritone gradiented dither goodness. Now, say hello to grade mode, a full suite color system that lets you create true full color dithers with up to 64 colors pulled directly from your original image's palette. It's accompanied by advanced color and palette controls where you can choose from over 20 built-in retro-inspired palettes for your artwork, or import your own palette from any image of your choosing. Set the amount of colors you want in your graphic, adjust their intensity, hue, saturation, and play with our invert slider that does something a little untraditional. Check it out. And when you render your graphic, it now outputs into a print-friendly, color-separated swatch group, which is pretty game-changing for merch designers. Like I said, this is a full suite color system, so we've also included an RGB color space mode, which lets you create gorgeous, digitized RGB dithers with a unique glitch aesthetic. This pairs exceptionally well with our modulation algorithms. Speaking of, we've also added some new algorithms to the family: by thread, bit slash, byte wave, and my favorite, grid modulation, which combines horizontal and vertical modulation to create a stunning glitchy grid effect. Many of you asked for this, and I'm so happy to finally bring it to life. Our batch render mode that lets you create gorgeous animated dithers out of videos or even still images. Simply import a video as frames, click on render and adjust your settings to your liking, enable batch render mode to apply the effect across all the frames, and boom. You can actually also select all your frames and make it a smart object, and then from there you can add a glow effect super easily and keep the whole process within Photoshop. If you're a little confused right now, Photoshop does actually have a video feature. You can see me working in the timeline here, and it's actually pretty intuitive. Of course, this works with all of the render modes and all of the algorithms, so you can also make really sick full color animated dithers. And even if you're not into video, you can still make your dithers move. Using a still image or artwork, just open it in a separate document and duplicate it a few times. Run the Dithertone plugin with batch render enabled. Press render, open the timeline, and you're going to see your dither start moving and grooving. Those are some of the main features, but we've also improved controls all around the board. I replaced the brightness and contrast sliders with this high performance level slider, and this has 5 points of articulation. So you can adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights separately to get the perfect balance of brightness and contrast, just like a levels adjustment. And you can also set cutoff points for the black and white luminance using these mini handles here, and this gives you extreme flexibility over contrast. I find these luma handles to be extremely useful when I want more dots in the blacks, or I just want to space all the dots further apart. It also works great as a tweak for the modulation algorithms. Almost forgot to mention this, but the UI looks pretty good, right? I did a full refresh of the UI design, including these new settings and help tabs. Something really cool is that the plugin layout dynamically changes based on the render mode that you select. We've also added these advanced settings like bleed, offset, and rounding to get a really cool stylized rounded look on your dithers. I really love this feature. It just gives your dithers that extra charm and style. Just makes it look so cool. These features are a little more advanced, so I'm going to have a separate tutorial for that, and I'm going to mention where you can find that in just a second here. So that is DitherTone Pro 3.0. I've been in love with dithering since the day I downloaded Photoshop nearly a decade ago. Holy shit. decade. Dithering has just been my thing ever since I started design. It's almost the backbone of my artistic style. I'm absolutely psychotic about it. I even started an Instagram page 5 years ago called Dither Factory to curate and share cool dithered artworks. So in light of that, I've just poured so much of my creative spirit and the things that I find beauty in into this plugin. It's truly the manifestation of everything that sparked my love for design. I spent months and months of late nights working on this and almost my entire bank account, which I couldn't have done without the support of everyone who bought it along the way. And this update is going to be free for y'all, of course. I'm filled with excitement to finally release this update, which to me turns DITHERTONE into the magnum opus design tool that I've always envisioned. Just turns Photoshop into something entirely brand new. And that is a wrap. DITHERTONE 3.0 is live now. In order to help you get the most out of it, I recorded short guides on all the new features, so I highly recommend you check that out before getting started, or if you just want to see it in action before purchasing. I also fully updated the product manual with detailed instructions and included a what's new document that details everything that I went over in this video and more. If you already have DITHERTONE Pro, you should be getting an email to notify you of the update, and you could just re-download the plugin from the user portal and install it to get started. If you're new here or you're on the fence, this is the one plugin that I wish I had in all my years of designing. As someone who's designed for Nirvana, Metallica, Olivia Rodrigo, and more, I can confidently recommend this tool as my favorite tool I've ever used. But you don't have to take it from me. This is a crowd favorite as well. Go grab DITHERTONE Pro now at duransupply.com and join the community of designers already using and loving it. Go make something wild and tag me so I can see it. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who supported this project. It keeps me building every day. Now, go dither something. I don't even know how you made it this far. Did I not impress you? Go get the plugin. You should have left the video 5 minutes ago and went and downloaded this update. You know, you got to get excited about this stuff. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.